Out the night again, typical Scottish weather though. Leave the house and it's overcast but no forecast for rain. Get up to my destination, park up, and within 10 minutes of walking we've got a rain shower. Just hope it's only passing, because I'm heading there the night and I've got the hammock with me. So I'll get a hammock and the tarp out, so I'll bring you back just when we get up the track a wee bit more. Well guys, I'm back out again. I'm back up to the local forest. I was up here last week and I done a camp up in the big forest, so today I'm going to the lesser forest, which is just behind me there. And this time, instead of having the tent with me, I've got the hammock and I've got a tarp, so we'll get it set up tonight. We did have a wee bit of rain there as I was coming in, but it's settled out now, so it looks as if it's going to be a nice night. So I'll bring you back when we get into the forest a bit. Just walking down to this wee clearing, and there's a really strong smelly fox, right musky smell. It must be one that uses this pathway regular. It's along one of the fire breaks. There's a really strong smell. Bit of luck we might see it. Down through this bit, and it clears out down there, clearing down the bottom. Well, that's us arriving at the campsite, just through these trees and down to the right's a wee spot where we've got. So I was just listening to the jays there squawking, so I must be getting close to their territory. And there's a wee spot down at the river. That's where home for tonight. Good stuff, we'll get set up here. Get a hammock up between the two trees and we'll get a tarp set up over at this part here. That'll keep us dry. Good stuff, we'll get cracked on. There you go guys, time for dinner again. So dinner of the night is just a quick one, so we've got a cheeseburger in there, quarter pounder. I made up a wee salad that go along with that, some yellow sweet peppers, some spring onions and a wee bit of onion in among that. Got a nice one of these salt and pepper wrap rolls. And at the back we've got the Jetboil system, so that'll be a... And then we'll get this cooked up. We're out in the woods tonight, by the wee river. We've got the big setup tonight. We've got the DD Hammock and we've also got the DD Tarp, which, because I think there's to be heavy showers later on, but at the minute it's nice and dry. That's the bottom nearly ready, so I've added in some of the sweet pepper and some spring onions there. Take a little taste of it, another long it's ready. It smells amazing. Just finishing off the vegetables there, just getting a final blast on just to brown them off. Burger's ready, we'll get this one to roll and then up to the taste test. Well, there you go guys, there's the finished article, a quarter pound cheeseburger with sweet yellow peppers and spring onions. Ah well, midges have got the better of me. I've dug out the midgie neck, but I've put up with it for so long. I said I wasn't going to bother with a fire tonight, so I'm going to start a wee fire and I'll keep it controlled. So I'm going to fire up with this and out and I'll get back to you once I've got the fire going. So it's going to be a wee controlled fire. I'm going to use that tonight and brought it as a wee backup just in case my gas stove packed in, which was quite handy because I can get the wee kindlings and I'll just have a wee tiny fire enough to get some smoke going to keep the midges at bay. That's much better, it's nice and controlled now. and within 5 minutes the midges are gone. So I'll not get any bigger than that, and that's just enough to keep the midges at bay, so quite happy. Tucked up for the night. A great wee night there, so even at the hinder end there, the midges weren't that bad because the fire kept them at bay. So it was a great night, just nice and quiet and peaceful. Me and the river and the hammock. So catch you in the morning. Good night. Guys, that was a kind of wild night last night, but I was nice and snug in there, no issues whatsoever. It's one of the comfiest sleeps I've had, so I'm just going to take it down, get it packed up and walk out. Hopefully be home for about 9 o'clock. It's a cracking morning this morning. The rain's stopped, so I'll go home and get packed up and see what we're going to do today. So I'll catch up with you soon. That's another camp by. It was a hammock camp last night. The weather was fantastic right up till I went to bed, and then the heavens opened during the night, but I was under a big tarp, so it didn't make any difference. So again, if you liked the video, get a wee thumbs up, leave a comment below. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. It doesn't cost you none, but it helps the channel. And click the wee bell, and that way you'll get the notifications of the new videos as they come through. So stay safe until the next time. Catch up with you soon. Bye.